So in the last session we have discussed what is unary operator. In the unary operator we have two types, one is post increment and pre increment, right? So in the last session we have discussed what is post increment operator. So let's see an example on this and then we will be going to write sample code on post increment operator. So let's take another example. Int a is equal to 500, int b is equal to 600, int c is equal to 700, int d is equal to a plus 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 b plus 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 c plus plus, again a plus plus, again b plus plus, again c plus plus, again a plus plus. So let's solve this. So first what is the, let's have an a value, b value and c value. So first what is the a value over here? 500. So it's going to increment. That increment value is going to store it under a. So first it's going to be 501. B plus plus. What is the B value? 600. And again it's going to increment. That value is going to store it under B value 601. 700. And then it's going to store that value in 701. Increment value is going to store it under C. Again A plus plus. What is the latest value of A is 501. So 501. Now again the 5, it's going to replace to 502 now. Again, what is the B value? The latest B value is 601. After your B value is getting incremented, now B value would be changed to 602. What is the C value is 701. Now it will be going to change it to 702. What is the latest A value? A value is 502. Now it's going to change it to 503. So now we have to add 500, 600 plus 700 plus 501 plus 601 plus 701 plus 502. Okay. Now the A value, B value, C value would be, A value would be 503, B value would be 602 and C value would be 702. So this is how your post increment operator is going to work. First it will assign the value and then it will keep on increment the values in the memory. The same code we are going to write it in our Edit Plus. We are going to check the A value, B value and C value are correct. Okay, let's take unary operator 1. Yeah, let me, okay, first what we are going to take, the A value is, int A value is 500, int B value is 600, int C value is 700. So let's calculate the int D is equal to, first we have A plus plus, again B plus plus, again we have C plus plus. And then what we have is, again we have A plus 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 B plus plus. Again we have one more C plus plus and A plus plus. C plus 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 A plus plus. So now first we are going to write the value of A. The value of A is and then value of B value of b is value of c is and then we will be getting the value of d. So let me save this program. So the program name is unary op1.java. So open your command prompt. So javac unary op1.java. No error perfect. Call your JVM for your execution. Okay, the value what we have written here, let us check that value. 503. A value is 503. Yes, the A value is 503, correct. B value is 602. Yes, B value is 602. C value is 702, correct. So C value is 702. So the D value we need to calculate 500 plus 600 plus 700 plus 501 plus 601 plus we are going to get the D value. So D value is 4105. So this is how your post increment operator is going to work in Java. So now we just got an idea how post increment operator is going to work. Let's see how your pre increment operator is going to work in Java. Pre-increment operator in Java. So let's see how it's going to work. Okay, consider int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to plus plus a. Post increment means we will be writing a plus plus because it's going to increment after assigning the value. Pre-increment in the sense first itself it's going to increment the value and then it's going to assign to the variable a. So now what's happening here is when I say 10, first itself it do increment. Okay. Once first itself when it's do increment, the 11 would be assigned to b at the same time a value is also 11. Okay, so it will not work like a post increment operator. So first itself it do increments. So at the time b value also will be assigning at the same time a value also would be changing the value from 10 to 11. So this is how your pre-increment operator is going to work in Java. So let's take another example. Int a is equal to 20. Int b is equal to, let me take plus plus a. Plus 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 c. So let's see what's the value here. What is the value of 20? 21. So now the a value also will become 21. Here 22. So 21 plus 22, 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 2, 4. So the b value is 43. So let's see an example. So let's say pre-increment. So let's take the value of int a is equal to 100, int b is equal to plus plus a. So let's see what's the value of So let's see the value of B is right. The value of B is plus B, and then let's see what is the value of A also. So the B value is going to be 101. At the same time A value is also going to be 101. Let's check it. So here plus A value is going to increment 101. So 101 was going to assign to B. Let's see the A value is also going to change it or not. Let's check it here. Perfect. Sorry guys. It's Java C pre inc.java. No error. Call your JVM. See, B value is also getting changed and A value is also getting changing over here. Okay, so the pre-increment operator, first it will do the increment. So at the same time it will assign the value to B. At the same time A value also would be getting changed in the memory. So it will not work like a post increment operator. So that's what name itself tells you, post increment, in the sense after assigning the value it's going to do increment. Pre increment in the self, first itself it do one increment operation. That's the reason we called it as a pre increment operator in Java. In the next video, we will see what is the combination of post increment and pre increment, and we are going to work n number of example on this operator because it's a very most important topic while you coming to an Oracle certification. You can expect at least 5 to 4 questions on unary operator. So you guys need to be well and good in this operator, and I'm going to give you n number of assignments on this guys. See you on next video.